What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a portrait of Robin from Teen Titans Go. Now we want to begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. So we start on the left side of center, we're going to draw a half oval. We're going to go up, round out the nose, and then come down towards the right. Now from the top of the nose, step over towards the left, curve the eye, going up. I'm just going to bend that out towards the end. Go over towards the right side, just going to line this up, going up and then out towards the same height. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to round out the bottom of the eye. Just going to come around and down. Let's round out the eye and just bend that back up towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height. Round out the eye and then bend that up towards the top. Now I want to add that thick edge around the eyes, starting just up above the nose in the center. Just going to follow that same curve of the eye, going up and then out towards the top. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, going up and then out. Let's trace the bottom of the eye. Coming all the way around towards the bottom. Round out the eye. I'm just going to tuck that in towards the side of the nose. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of that trim. Now with the eyes and nose in place, let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start on the left side. We're just going to curve the mouth, coming down and then up. Go back to the left side. Let's curve the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, round at the corners, and then pull that up towards the right side. From the top corners of the mouth, angle this down and in towards the edge of the teeth. Just going to curve the teeth. And then from the bottom corners, angle this down and back out. Let's fill in the sides of the mouth. Now that we've completed the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. We'll start from this point in the eye, step out, curve this out, and then down towards the jaw to right about there. Go over towards the right side and do the same thing, going out and then down. Let's round out the jaw, pull this down and then in towards the chin, round out the chin, go across, and then round out the right jaw. Let's add a point along the side of the head. Angle this down and out. Now from the left side, I'm just going to curve this up across the hairline and then in to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now I want to bring the hair coming across the forehead. So starting back on the left, bend this down and in. Pull that up. Come back down and across. And we're just going to close off the right side. Over on the side of the head, we're going to add in the ears. So let's start on the left. Bend this up and then out. And we'll just line that up on the right. That's going to round out the ear, come down and out towards the side. Let's round up the end. Just pull that in towards the earlobes. Round up the earlobes and just pull that up towards the side of the head. Now we're going to go up to the top of the ear. It's going to curve the hair, going out and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now on the right, we want to add a small point. So I'm just going to bend this in. Now I want to pull the hair up and in towards the middle. So let's start back on the left. Bend this up and then in. Let's add a point. Bend this back down. Now we pull this up and in towards the middle. Right about there. Add another point coming down. And I want to curl this up in the opposite direction, going out and then up a little bit higher. Go all the way across and then bend that down. I'm just going to add one more point. Going up and in, go across and then down. I'm just going to flatten out the edge. Now along the bottom of the head, we're just going to add the side of the neck and the collar. So let's leave a gap in the center. Draw 2 lines coming down. Go straight out towards the side. And it'll angle this back down and in towards the middle of the body. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair and the neck. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a portrait illustration of Robin from Teen Titans Go. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.